Impala Doctor, back at you for 3 minutes. Check it out. Remember the last video? We were taking off the water pump. We had to take off the serpentine belts, our wheels, unhook everything. We got everything hooked back. Got a water pressure light back hooked up. Water pump back on, sealed. You can see that sealant in there, that red liquid gasket. Serpentine belts back in. Did videos on those. So we are good on that. Look at these doors lined up with that quarter panel. Beautiful. Remember our doors were off? When you opened them, they jumped crazy. Look at that. Bam. Beautiful. And our interior is in, going strong, but you notice our door boards haven't been on. Now, this piece of chrome right here has to go right there. That's one screw. We're not really tripping on that. Still got some wiring to do. I got speakers I got to buy. I got to buy 3-way speakers so I don't have to have big old speakers. That's going to get that taken care of. But the key is here. Remember the video we did on the door handle? That's why I couldn't put this door board on. So our next video is going to be this door board. But definitely, look at that. Look at that. Look at those gaps. All of this is in a home 3-car garage, all right? So if you want to do a car, you can. Got to get our carpet for here, but we're not really tripping on that. I got some chrome. I'm going to create a pattern that's going to kind of pump this up, maybe do some lighting in there. I'm going to worry about that. I got to take off this deck lid. I got to paint it again. I want it shiny like I redid the trunk over there. But look at this again. Look at that quarter panel lined up. The door. But most importantly, remember how this one fell when we opened it last time? Look at that. Beautiful job, beautiful job, beautiful job. So, next task is to get the door panels from up there. For just being lucky, my motor for my vent window broke. So, well, it's not the motor, but the mechanism.